Hey friends, Min from On a Stamp Age. I'm super excited to be here for Crafter's Castle using the tailor-made cards for you down on the farm digital kit. It has so many darling vintage images, and today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy card that's layered in Photoshop that you can either use as a flat printout or as a layered card. So I'm starting by pulling some of the patterned paper from tailor-made cards into my focal base. And I don't want to resize it because I like the size of it. And then I'm going to look at the different elements in this kit, and I'm noticing that I don't quite have anything for a sentiment. So I'm going to open up these beautiful fruit labels that have plums on top, because this is perfect to add a sentiment right underneath. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a few elements from this kit by using my drawing tool, and I'm going to draw a box around it, and I'll be able to pull it straight onto the card and put them where I want them to go. Now that I have these two elements in, I'm going to add a stroke around each image. This is going to give me a type of a border or a frame around it. It just helps to kind of give a little bit more of an interest to each individual piece and make it feel more like it's layered if I decide to use this just as a printed out card base. Next, I'm going to grab one of these beautiful plum labels that I mentioned earlier and drag it and resize it into my panel as well. This is what I'm going to use to put my sentiment on top of. And so I'm going to make sure that it layers nicely. I love how the two different plaids work together so well, and I'm loving the greens of this card. Now that I have everything resized and placed and layered the way that I want to, I'm going to go ahead and start creating my sentiment. I decided to use two different fonts for my sentiment. One that's a Ray Dunn type font, and then one that is a more scripted font, because I like the way that those two look together. And the sentiment that I chose is Sending Love. Now that my panel is done, all I'll need to do is print it out, and I am so happy with how this turned out. I hope that you grab this set from Tailor Made Cards for You today, and that you come and join us at the Crafter's Castle Challenge. All of the links are down below, and until next time, hugs and happy crafting, friends. Bye.